How to make only your friends can see old Facebook mobile posts on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only your friends can see old Facebook mobile posts on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and then just click apps and websites, and here you will find all versions of Facebook for mobile. Click on it and then just click friends, and that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.